Growing up is hard enough, with trying to make friends and going through puberty and dealing with crazy parents. School is mandatory, so everyone has memories from their childhood there. Every child should feel that school is a safe place. Yet, how can they if they have to sit through active shooter drills on a regular basis? A school is supposed to be cultivating a warm and comforting environment for a student to learn in, to where they feel safe. Students in this generation don't know a time of attending school where there was no drills. This is not something that should be commonplace. There was a time when students didn't have to worry about the threat of someone coming in to their school with a gun. Even young children have to go through these active shooter drills. Doesn't anyone worry about the consequences this will have on their mental health? The worst part is knowing that these drills are necessary because of how often gun violence enters our schools. Joy Levinson, a clinical psychologist, goes more into the effects that school shooter drills can have on children.
I've seen several kids in my practice who have had an anxious or even traumatic response from lockdown drills. I think developmentally it takes children until they can think abstractly, which is about 11, 12 years of age, to be able to process these drills and a shooting and really be able to start to try to deal with it and cope and not feel overwhelmed by anxiety.
Stunning fact, 2018 has been a deadlier year for school children than for active military servicemen.
If you're asking yourself, what could you do to help this cause? Well, you can protect the future of America by protecting the children. In 2016, the Mississippi governor signed into law that allows people to carry a concealed weapon without a permit. Mississippi is one of the only 11 states that allow this. The United States needs stricter laws on gun control on a national level so that it is consistent throughout our country. Vote for the laws and politicians that will help protect the future of America by saving the lives of the children. Even with all of the changes made, most states still don't have the necessary background checks needed. While mental health is a part of the conversation of the issue on school shootings, a part of the issue on gun control is that mentally ill are able to get their hands on guns because the background checks are not extensive enough. After a school shooting in Parkland, Florida, the students of that school decided enough was enough. They started the #NeverAgain movement and organized the March for Our Lives, where they marched on the Capitol. They even had major celebrities support their cause, because these children are the future of America, so they have to be protected.